guys, welcome back. So my Saturday was actually pretty lazy. सुबह late उठी and first thing I made myself some quick breakfast. आज हमें कहीं बाहर जाना था. So seriously, traveling on empty stomach is no way. You need that fuel before you heading out. So after breakfast, we got ready and left for the Whitby. Reason behind that is Prashant recently bought a new computer and so we need to grab a hard drive for it. On the way, we found the MacD and वहाँ से हमने Diet Coke लिया. It's kind of a ritual for us now. Whenever we travel, Diet Coke is a must. I clean the car too because empty bottles rolling around in the back seat is big no for me. So now the drive to the Whitby. Oh my god, it was perfect. No traffic, weather was amazing, and the whole vibe is so smooth. It took us about an hour, but honestly, journey का मजा कुछ और ही था. So after 1 hour, we finally reached the Canada computer, and trust me, guys, I always get excited here. It's like a candy shop for a tech lover. And while Prashant was busy with the sale assistant hunting for his compatible car drive, I went exploring. And guess what? I found this super cute mouse. So yeah, I bought it. Meantime, Prashant finally got the compatible drive. So we did our billing and wrap up. On my way out, I spotted a 3D printing machine which was mind blowing. Like, seriously, you can create almost anything with it. After our little tech adventure, we drove to Scarborough because मुझे चाय की craving हो रही थी and मुझे चाय पीनी थी. So we stopped at London Chai Wala. I ordered samosa chaat and my favorite pink tea. Guys, pink tea is literally heaven for me. We chilled there for a while, had a good time, and then we head back to the Belleville. By the time we reached, it's around 9 p.m. So हमने फटाफट change किया and we straight went to the gym and we did a solid 1 hour workout. And today was really very tiring for me, so मैं जल्दी जल्दी घर भागने की कोशिश कर रही थी because I don't want to waste my time. Already Saturday बहुत ज़्यादा हेडेक हो चुका था मेरे लिए. मैं घर पहुँचते ही सबसे पहले अपना नाइट रिजीम शुरू किया. I did my face wash, use the toner, and yes, I always follow my night routine because ये मेरे पूरे दिन का जो स्ट्रेस होता है यहीं पे ही मुझे रिलैक्स फील कराता है. मैं कोई भी मेकअप लगा के रात में मैं बिल्कुल नहीं सो सकती हूँ. So I need to clean my face. I pamper myself, my face also. I do some massage with the serum जिससे मेरी स्किन थोड़ी सी अपलिफ्ट हो. और यू नो आई डोंट नो ये मेरे साथ होता है जब मैं अपना फेस मसाज कर लेती हूँ तो आई फील लाइक रिलैक्स और मुझे नींद भी बहुत अच्छी आती है. सो इट्स माई फेवरेट पार्ट ऑफ द डे. Honestly, I can't sleep without it. So it helped me to feel so relaxed. So that was my Saturday event. Lazy start, fun adventure, and a strong finish. Thank you for hanging out with me today. So see you in the next vlog.